Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm Akanksha. So this white nice big smile on my face is because you read the title already. We are going to try out the new Dyson Airwrap. So you guys know I use the Dyson Airwrap in my routine a lot. I've been using it for like 1.5 years, and they launched a newer version of the Dyson Airwrap. And I'm not just talking newer version in the terms of colors, which like how they've released before, but they have newer attachments which I've never tried before. And I always like, since they launched first out of India, and I really wanted to try them. And when my sister was coming from the US also, they were like out of stock, and I thought like the minute they are in India, I am going to get my hands on it. I have like the whole new Dyson Airwrap with me. So again, this is a different one than I have before, which looks so much more nicer than the one I had before that. The one I have before was also really nice. Yeah, let's try this one together and see how it styles my hair. My hair today, first of all, looks extremely more bad because I tried some shampoo, you guys, because I was out of all the shampoos which I generally use, and I forgot to order one, and my hair is like so sticky today for some reason. So I really hope the Dyson is going to fix it, because it generally, like whatever hair issues I have, it fixes it for me. Yeah, let's kind of fix this hair. It's really bad. Yeah. So first, of course, when you open the box, you get this machine. I did not even open it because I wanted to do it with you guys. So I'm just going to quickly pop this out. Tan-ta-da! This is the new one. I really love this color. Looks so much more like nice, classier. So this is the machine, of course. First you open. This is the machine. This is the kind of similar like what it used to be before. So this is like, it has hot, cool, fast, slow, and heat settings, and then it has 6 attachments with it. So the first one is the round volumizing brush. If you want like a blow dried hair, this is the one you generally use. Then you have this attachment, soft smoothing brush, firm smoothing brush kind. So this one is for somebody who has little not so textured hair. Like I have like wavy kind of curly hair, right? So for people like me, this brush works more nicer to like kind of straighten it out before I go ahead and style it in any other way. And this one is more nicer for people who have like a thin or like little straight hair. This one will work for them, and this one is for somebody who has like more rigid hair like I do. So the previous 3 were like kind of old attachments which they always had, but this new one is the I'm super excited about. So this is their Quanta smoothing dryer. I've never tried before, so I need to like kind of figure out how to use it as well. It also acts like a blow dryer, which kind of dries your hair, but it also like you can kind of smoothen out. If you can see all this frizz, you can kind of smoothen out the frizz with this as well. So the next one are these 2 attachments. These ones I'm the most excited for, and I really wanted to get my hands on these the minute they launched, but it took time for them to launch in India. But now they are here, August 3rd. It is available in India right now, so you can definitely check these ones out. So basically I'm pretty excited about this one is because I don't know if you know, but before, like if you want to curl your hair, like Dyson, like one side is this and one side is this. So they used to have like 2 different barrels for one side. So now it's just one. You hold this. If you want the left side, you keep it here, and if you want on the right, you just like switch this up. And this one acts for both the sides. It's very, very convenient, because previously like you constantly had to keep switching between the barrels. If you want this side and then you want to do this side, if you like switch it up. So I'm really excited about this one. And also I wanted to like basically get long barrels since a while, and then almost on the time when I was about to buy, they launched this one, which is like a single one. So I'm really going to get the longer version of this because I have a little longer hair. It makes my job easier, but these are the shorter barrels. So this one is the 40mm one, and this one is the 30mm barrel. I generally use the 30mm, so I'm going to use this one today as well. So first I'm going to try this attachment, and I'm also using it for the first time. So let's figure it out together. I'm going to switch this on. Oh, so this part acts like a blow dryer basically, which was a little different than what it was before. So I'm just going to switch this on. You would actually think like, does this small of an area, will it even dry my hair? But it has solid power, and even the one before, like the vent or the opening was not as big. So I think it does make sense. Like I don't know if how to show you the amount of like air which comes out of it. Look at that. It is a lot, so it does, I think, like, do it. But my hair is almost like 80% dry. I, like, literally just want to style it, so I'm just not I'm just going to like directly go in with the styling tool, and then we'll come back to this one for smoothing out all that, like, frizz which comes, because that's what I'm most excited about to see in this tool. Drying your hair, literally any tool does, and that I am not, like, going to pay so much attention to. So I'm just going to quickly comb through my hair. So I'm quickly going to show you like how each tool works. And first I'm going in with the roller brush. Now this one, if you are somebody like you don't know how to blow dry, or you want something quick to just like kind of tame your hair, make it look decent, then this is the tool to go for. It just makes your job so much more easier. So I'm just going to switch this on. I always put everything in high setting, high speed. So I'm just going to quickly. So this is what you get with just the blow dryer brush. It just makes your job easy. Literally one hand, like you can do here and there. You don't have to put it down. It makes your job so much more easier. And Dyson does not like exceed more than 150 degrees, you guys. So like the quality of the hair is also there. So it does not do like major heat damage to your hair as well. And it's going to kind of try to maintain the health of your hair. So this is how the roller brush works. So this one you generally use before like you want to like curl your hair with the barrels, etc. This kind of helps to smoothen it out before you go ahead and curl your hair. So I'm just going to see, just nicely smoothened my hair out. So like, do you see, this is like before smoothing my hair, and this is how it looks like after. So this one you can actually use, like even if you don't want to use like the so like even if you don't want to use the roller brush and do like all the shiz with like the rolling and stuff like that, if you just want to like smoothen out your hair and make it like straight, then you can use this tool as well. For my hair it works pretty well. Whenever I'm lazy, this literally, I just have to comb my hair with this, and in like 5 minutes my hair is good to go. If not anything fancy, it just like straightens it so perfectly. All you have to do is brush your hair with this and it's done. But if you want a little more like nice volume, a little more bounce in your hair, then you can definitely use the roller brush. Again, for me it's time and preference and mode. So this tool is that's the reason it's one of my favorites. That is like universal, and I enjoy it a lot. So now let's move on to my favorite part, or like the part which I'm most excited about, is using this 30mm barrel. Because anytime you guys see me in this like curled up like moving away from my face kind of hair, it's always been Dyson. I kind of am very bad to like use curling tong or stuff like that. So this kind of makes my job easier. All I have to do is put it in and hold it, and it kind of curls my hair. So for noobs like me, for hair, this is really useful. So I just popped this on. I need to figure out which works which way. So I want to do like the left side, so I'm hoping this one is where I'm supposed to keep. If not, then I'll kind of just switch this up. So this is what I'm going to try to do for now. I already smoothened out my like lower part of my hair anyways. The smaller the sections, the more nicer your hair is going to be with these barrels. So it's going to take a lot of time if you have like more volume in your hair. For me, like if I have to Dyson my entire hair, it easily takes me like 45-50 minutes given the volume I have and the length I have. So that's the reason I was thinking I really have to invest in like long barrels. Now though I will definitely will. Yep, I think this one is the left one. 10 seconds. So I give 5 seconds heat, 5 seconds cold, 5 seconds heat, 5 seconds cold. And ta-da! Look at that curl! I haven't Dyson my hair in a while. I think last I did was on my birthday, which was literally a month ago. What is the day? Yeah, it was literally a month ago. So excited to see myself in these beautiful curls. So now previously what I used to do is, because I have to constantly switch barrels, I used to do like everything on the left first, like at least section wise. First I used to do like the left section, and then I used to do the right section. But now I can just do flip and then do this, which is pretty cool according to me. See in the mirror, see this is the key left side. So if you're doing for the left hair, then keep it on the left, and if you're doing for the right side hair, then just keep it on the right side. Okay, 45 minutes later, this is where we are at. So at this point, I would suggest, especially if you have like thin hair or straight hair which does not hold your curl, initially I would definitely suggest you to first use like a curling mousse on your hair, and then whenever you're opening the curl, I would definitely recommend you to like use a hairspray to hold the curls. So I have textured wavy hair, so curls do hold on my hair pretty well. Maybe like not as much as like how it looks now, and I anyways don't like this look. So I generally do my hair first and then I do my makeup. So like it like takes me around 40 minutes to do my makeup, whatever I'm filming, and then I open them up so they kind of stay curled up for longer. Now today I don't think I have time to like keep it for 45 minutes to 1 hour, so I'm just going to keep this on for 10 minutes and like open it up and show you the final look. I just stepped out for like 2 minutes into the balcony and look at what the humidity did to my hair. Like I think kind of, but this is the perfect time to test out the new smoothening one. So what I generally do is like I told you, I keep it on for like 40 minutes and then 40 minutes to 1 hour, and then I brush it off. So I generally go in with this brush only because it has like white teeth, comb, vagera, and it does the job. So I'm just going to quickly going to go ahead and brush it. See, like opened curls look so much more nicer, right? Like this is like the perfect hairstyle. So I'm going to do the same thing again. So this one, basically, do you see this? I think you just have to like flip this here and then you know like how to use it. I'm so dumb. This one, which you generally use to like blow that hair and like dry it out, you have to like twist it and close it off. So now there's like no other open vent for it to go, and I think you just have to like go over with this and smoothen it out. So there's again two directions on it, one for left, one for right, I'm assuming. So like first I'm going to use the left one. Do we see a difference? I think yes, like you can see the difference. Look at this side versus look at this side, or you can actually see the before of after of the side as well. So like this is how it looks, kind of frizzy. Now I'll shift this one to this side because I'm doing the right side. Yep, definitely makes a difference. This is the after, you guys. I literally have like no flyaways at the moment. Everything is nice and soft. This is generally not how it looks if I just do that, use the barrels and like let it be. So yeah guys, this is how my hair looks. Now this is like a very special hairstyle to me. I do this like on a special day. I want to look really nice, something like this. This is the hairstyle I go for and I absolutely love it. It just makes my life so much easier because I don't really have to worry like how it's going to look. No matter how I do it, it kind of always ends up looking nice. So again, like I told you, a new for hair like person like me works really well. So the newer attachments are these three, basically these two barrels which have dual purpose kind of thing in one single thing, and this smoothening plus a blow dryer attachment. So these three, definitely if you already have like the machine, then you can definitely invest in these tools separately if that's something you're looking for. If you ask me like if the machine itself together is worth it and if you have to invest in it, in terms of functionality, absolutely, it does such a fab job. You can see how my hair looks. I mean, I don't have to like boast about it more. You can just see how it looks, and it like serves so many different purposes. You can dry your hair, you can style your hair, you can curl your hair, you can do everything with it. So in functionality purpose, it is definitely worth it for you. But again, worth it, of course, is again very subjective in terms of price because of course it is an expensive product. So right now this Dyson retails for rupees 45,000. If there is any difference, then I will leave it on the screen. If I'll confirm the price range and tell you. If you're somebody who styles your hair every single day and you like doing these hairstyles and you don't want heat damage, then definitely worth it. If you have that extra money like buck lying around, then definitely worth it. So it's very subjective. What my 2,000 might be be expensive for somebody, but 10,000 might be cheap for somebody. So yeah, guys, if you are interested in shopping this product out, then definitely check out the description. I will leave a link right there. You can check the product out, and yeah, I hope it was useful. Let me know what you think about the product in the comments. If you have it, do you like it? Like, what do you think about it? I'm very interested to know. Let me know in the comments. And that's it for this video. This video shout out goes to Ancha Renuka. Thank you, Renuka, for always loving and supporting. It absolutely means the world to me. If you want to be part of next video shout out, then all you have to do is comment below and use the hashtag AKS, and you can be a part. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then make sure like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.